Hello students, in last class we have already discussed about what more plants give us. So I have already said what you have to read the what more plants give us. I think you have already read that one. So today we are going to discuss about some questions from what more plants give us. Right, true or false? Tulsi is a medicinal plant. Is Tulsi a medicinal plant? Yes, because Tulsi we use for when we are suffering from cough and cold. So Tulsi is a medicinal plant. So this is a true statement. Rubber is used to make tires and pipes. We use rubber for making tires and pipes. Yes, rubber we use for making tires and pipes as well as eraser, what we use in our daily life. So this is also a true statement. Sugarcane is an ornamental plant. The third sentence, sugarcane is an ornamental plant. Which plant is an ornamental plant? I have already said ornamental plants are those plants which are grown for decorative purpose, for decoration. So sugarcane is not grown for decoration purpose. So this is a false statement. The third one, furniture is made from wood. Yes, because table, chair, door and many more furnitures we get from wood. Many more furnitures is made from wood. So furniture is made from wood. So the first one, second sentence and fourth sentence are true statements or true sentences, and third one is a false sentence. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about some other uses of plants. So we also use plants to make soaps, shampoos, body lotion, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, body lotion. We use that these things are made from plants. These things we get from plants by different processes. We can convert that. So as well as the leaves of the mehendi plant are used as a dye. If the leaves of the mehendi plant we dry and crush, then we are getting dye, and this dye called henna, and this is used for changing the color of skin or hair. Here we know, for in here we use mehendi, as well as in different occasion girls or ladies put mehendi on their hand. So in this way henna change the color of skin or hair. As well as plants also useful for us in many ways, not only for us but also for animals. Some birds, squirrels and many other animals live on trees. In our surrounding we can see different birds, squirrels and many other animals live on trees, as well as butterfly. You have already seen we see many types of butterfly which is looking so beautiful. So this butterfly suck nectar. Nectar is the liquid which is present in the flower. So butterflies suck nectar from flowers as their food. So butterfly can get food from flowers, the liquid part of the flowers, that is nectar. Okay, in this way plants help us, not also us but also animals, birds and many more. For many more persons, many more animals. The next one, where should we grow plants? For where we should grow plants? Everyone said that we should grow plants, it is helpful for us. So where should we grow plants? Today we are going to discuss about it. Okay, plants clean the air and keep it fresh. In our surrounding we know air is present everywhere. So this air will be clean if we grow plants. Plants clean the air and keep it fresh. And fresh air is much more important for us for ventilation purpose. Without ventilation we can't survive. Also plants bring rains. Plants prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion means the upper part of soil, the movement of the upper part of soil is called soil erosion. Plants prevent that. Plants prevent soil erosion. Then trees and plants make our world beautiful. We know when there is nature, the world looking so beautiful. So trees and plants make our world beautiful. We should not pluck flowers and leaves. When flowers is on the trees, they are looking so beautiful. But when we pluck flowers, after some times the freshness of flowers destroyed. So we should not pluck flowers and leaves. We should collect fallen leaves and flowers. These fallen leaves and flowers used to make compost. Compost means it is a thing which used for farming purpose, which helpful for plants to grow off easily in better way. So these fallen leaves and flowers used to make compost. So how it is useful for us? Did you get? So we should grow as many plants as we can. In this way this chapter, second chapter, Our Green Friends, is over. Your homework is you have to read this chapter. On the next class we will discuss about the question and answers of this chapter. Okay, thank you.